So good.
What's up, yeah?
Hi, William.
Hi, Franklin.
How's the new camera?
Pretty good.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah. What are we doing today?
We're going to Festival of Speed in Orlando. It's gonna be fun. Ritz-Carlton, a bunch of exotics. It's Festivals of Speed, so there's like boats and supposedly maybe planes and stuff there too. So we'll see.
Big boy stuff.
Yeah, I know.
Sweet.
Onward.
Where are we?
We're in Orlando. Festival of Speed. We're gonna go check out some cool cars, like this red ZHP here.
The typical Will and Frankie fashion. We're gonna go talk a bunch of shit, and Frankie's gonna point out all the BMWs and tell me the MSRP on everything that exists here. So stay tuned.
It's like, oh look, $1 million Bugatti. Oh look, a 04 330 Ci ZHP BMW.
Yeah. Yes, this 330 ZHP has this package, which only came on 1,748 cars.
Yeah.
So,
Story of my life.
sit rep.
We're lost.
We're lost.
We're at the Ritz-Carlton and there's no cars here.
Doesn't seem like the right place. There's literally nobody. The nicest car here is this here Dodge. What are those? Okay.
Doors open.
Doors open.
Dude, vlogging the vlog.
Vlog. Found it. No thanks to you, Frankie. No thanks to you, we found it.
I just spent $40 for no reason. We just walked in and there's no one at the door. And I bought the tickets online and we're just in the show.
GT Viper, the 20S, the SV. Frankie,
Yeah.
this circle. Yeah, we got the Aventadors.
Right.
We got the 720s. We got the GT3s, the F12s, the Performante. What are you picking?
I'm either gonna go Aventador because doors go up,
Doors go up.
or F12 because rear wheel drive, front engine V12.
Intakes up in there.
So this is what?
Twin turbo F12, first one in the world. You can see him under there.
Perfect. And how can visitors here today get one of these books? Come over to our booth. We're right.
William just spotted something.
Yeah, I did not see. So there's I was gonna go with this here SV or the GT2 RS.
And that's a special edition too.
Yeah, but I did not see the Senna. Hey, Kyle.
What do you think?
I think this is pretty spectacular. I mean, it's pretty.
This is pretty race.
Yeah, that flips up.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool that like, I mean, I'm 6'2", 6'3", and I fit like 100% perfectly in this car. Don't feel cramped at all. It's pretty neat. It's also really easy to get in and out of because like the doors.
Right.
It's really cool. Practical sports car. Daily driver. It is pretty crazy though that we have all of this, right? We have like Aventador, Murciélagos, GT4s, like race cars, you know, all kinds of Rolls Royces. And then you look at that, and that just has still like
So much presence.
an insane amount of presence for like some like a tenth of the price of some of those cars over there.
Yeah. I mean, this car's 70 grand.
Yeah, versus more than 700,000.
Right.
You know, it's like craziness. It's such a cool car. This thing, pretty sweet too. We saw various high-end performance vehicles and not so performance vehicles. Top three.
1 Senna, 2 720S, 3. I mean, because it's new and I haven't seen it yet, probably a 600 LT, which was 3 McLarens, which is pretty damn good. I mean, Aventadors are super rad and there's plenty of them, but they have like an old feel. They've been around for a while, so
Okay.
they weren't too exciting. I walked right past them and was like, oh, it's an Aventador. Whereas the 600 LT, I had to stop and look at it. It's new.
I think I'm 720S or Senna.
Yeah.
Or 600 LT.
Or
Or P1.
McLaren's killing it.
McLaren's killing it. That's
a wrap up of Festival Speeds. That
Wrap up.
McLaren's just like killing the car game right now.
Wrap up by McLaren.
We're going with 3 McLarens as the top 3 for the show.
Here, we see a wild Frankie looking at 330. Frankie in his natural state. We're leaving Festival Speed now. We're at the Ritz-Carlton in Orlando. We figure next weekend is the rally. Drive Florida 5.
Gonna go test drive the route right now. We'll let you know how it goes.
Gonna see if there's any kerfuffles in the route, and should be a fun time. CHP. Did you see that?
Did that like just happen?
I don't know.
Should I check?
Yeah. So, okay, like literally 30 seconds into this drive, we're driving and there's a car off the side of the road
On its roof.
on its fucking roof. You going straight?
There's a car pulled over.
So good.
Like, I don't even see where they went off.
I don't know, because the car is like, it's not like they just drove over that thing. They rolled it over sideways.
Yeah, it's almost like they like, I don't know. Like, it almost looks like they was like propped there for like a purpose. Like, oh, don't like speed or don't text and drive.
Yeah, like a church message of like, oh,
Right.
don't do this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the Alfa Romeo.
Stelvio.
Oh, yeah. Dude, drive Florida. 3 seconds in, upside down vehicle.
Yeah. It's great.
Oh, look at that little red Corvette right there.
C5.
C5. Dude, this is the perfect drive Florida camera. Oh, shit. That bounced around a little bit. Looked like an optical limit stabilization. Jeep Life!
Has literally just been like,
What up?
right? Exactly.
Oh, there's the old post office. There she is. It's a nice car. Look at this. G-Force. It's Indy Firehawks. Really put it in the work. Really grip the road. This thing's on rails. Tobias. House Hunters. Episode 1. Frankie and Will. Frankie, what kind of house are we looking today? Farm chic, Victorian era, Spanish tile? What are we looking for?
Shiplap.
Shiplap. Well, you heard it here, guys. Shiplap, word of the day. I really Corvette. There's the old Yalaha Bakery here. Various things happening. Just a busy Sunday, it looks like. Those guys.
Yeah.
It's a good stop for a rally, I've heard.
Yep.
Tell them a little bit about what Drive Florida is.
See, Drive Florida is the enthusiast car rally. We actually use our cars for what they're meant to be used for, and focus more on the driving than the partying. Not that partying is a bad thing, but you know, we go out for a nice curvy back road drive and just have some fun. The one we're doing next weekend is actually going to be a little over 200 miles, 4 hours, all curvy back roads in Central Florida. A lot of fun.
Corvette! Guy's on his way to fuck his sister.
The Arrow Bridge. Oh, look at that. Wonderful.
Dude, there's our table and our chair. Oh my god, the whole dining room set right there.
It's giving me a hard time.
So we just drove the first half of Drive Florida 5 route. Franklin's over here is getting some gas. And we're gonna drive the second half of the route. So far it's awesome. A lot of good curvy roads, back roads. It's a lot of fun. Should be a lot of good times next weekend. We're gonna drive the rest of the route and show you some of that now.
You a walking trophy.
So we're at Bushnell Motorsports Park now. We just checked it out for the rally next weekend. Looking good. We're gonna have a lot of fun, have a lot of people. We got about 100 cars registered right now, and it's gonna be a good time. See y'all next weekend. Police reported ahead here.
Where are you at?
Oh, there they are.
There you are.
So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Drive Florida Rally number 5 is next Sunday. We have a pre-party this Saturday at Ace Cafe. You can get your tickets at drive-florida.com. And if you buy merch from the site, use code CLICK5th and you'll get 10% off. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week.